Hello everyone, in this video we will go through the dashboard on Capfolio. If you're looking for a video on how to get set up on Capfolio, please go through the previous video in the series on getting set up. So the dashboard view displays a holistic view of the user's entire portfolio across multiple exchanges that you've linked. At the top here, you basically have the latest news along with the sentiment. On the top right, you have a link to support, link to a YouTube channel that has demos and tutorials. Then we have notifications. Below that, we have a portfolio summary, which shows you real-time streaming updates of your overall portfolio value linked across exchanges, as well as the last 24 hours, week, month, and all-time balance performance. Below that, overall assets and charts. And then on the bottom right, we have the glimpse of the social leaderboard performance across multiple leaders and how they're performing on a weekly or daily or monthly basis. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will walk you through the exchange step by step.